School over there ahead, and this is it. Talasitan, Pamplona Cagayan Church that cares for the salvation souls. It says here. Okay, I'll see. I'm going inside and see first where my sister lived. Okay, there's a small basketball court. Okay, there. This is the place where my sister lived. Where's the house of my sister? I just don't know. Maybe that one. Where can I see my sister? I've never been here. This is my first time just to come here in this area. There's a house here. I don't know where is it. Apo! Oh, this is very nice. What is this? What kind of fruit is this? Apo! Hello! How are you? Hmm? How are you? Hello, hello. What kind of fruit is this? I don't know. Is your Lola there? Inside? No. Who's there? Inside? Your mommy? Yeah? Let's call your mommy. Okay. I found it. That's the place where my sister lived. This is her house. Oh yeah, beautiful place. Okay. Still have many papayas. There's a dog over here. And there's oh, so many. Oh, very nice place to stay here. I love it.